Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is the dominant allele, the one that shows up in the phenotype even with just one copy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what dominant means and what it doesn't mean and how to spot dominant traits. A dominant allele produces its phenotype even when only one copy is present in the genotype. Written as a capital letter, like capital B for brown, the dominant allele masks the recessive allele in a heterozygous genotype. So genotypes capital B and capital B lowercase b both give the dominant phenotype. Three things. 1. Capital letter equals dominant. 2. A single copy is enough to show the trait. 3. Dominant doesn't mean common, strong, or better. It just means it masks recessive alleles. A dominant allele can still be very rare in a population. Common slip. Dominant doesn't mean most common in the population. It just means that one copy is enough to show the trait. The dominant allele for polydactyly, i.e. extra fingers and toes, is actually rare. Most people don't carry it. Quick example, polydactyly is dominant. A single capital P allele is enough. So genotypes capital P and capital P lowercase p both have polydactyly. Only lowercase b has the normal number of digits. So capital P lowercase b parent crossed with lowercase p parent gives a 50-50 chance of each child having polydactyly. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.